Hello and welcome to my Photoshop Light Effects Let There Be Light course. My name is Chris Parker and I'm so excited that you are here today because I have some awesome techniques that I would like to share with you and to teach you how to use some very specific types of tools in Photoshop to get these types of lighting effects. I've been a photographer and graphic designer for over 25 years. In fact, I started using Photoshop in 1991. Yes, I'm a little older, but I know Photoshop. I've been using it ever since it first came out, and I've used just about every version. So in this course, the main 5 tools that you're going to work with and learn about for creating these light effects and to streamline your workflow are adjustment layers, adjustment layer masks, and one of my favorite tools, which is the curves tool, levels, and gradients. This course is not limited to just those 5 though. You're also going to see how using different blending modes and opacity levels affect individual layers. And of course, you will learn how to create 3 very awesome types of lighting effects. This includes lens flare, light leaks, and creative golden hour effects for your sunrise and sunset photos. Now, the same photos that I use in this course are available to you as a download as well, so you can use them to follow along with and then use them to practice on. Okay, so here is the really cool part about this course. You can submit your practice files for review. Yes, you heard me right. As far as I know, no one else on Udemy is doing this. You can submit up to 3 photos, 1 for each type of lighting effect, and I will personally review them and provide feedback about your images. The course is currently on sale as part of my intro rate, and the price will be going up very soon. So now is the time to grab this course before the price increase. So go ahead and sign up for this course, download the photos, start following along, practice, and submit your photos. And I look forward to helping you learn how to create these 3 awesome lighting effects in Photoshop. Thanks for listening and have an awesome day.